Good morning. This is a new project I'm starting. This is an old furniture that I have, and as you can see, it needs work. I'm gonna be painting it white, and I will have a different background back here, kind of like a wood paper in the back. So I'm gonna refresh this one white. Okay guys, as you can see, I did use the green tape again to protect the glass when I painted. So I used the painter's tape because it's easier to come off. So the painter's tape protects you from going over with your paint on the glass. So the less paint you get on the glass, the better it is. But if you do, you saw my last video about the mirror, you just scrape it off with a sharp blade. But I'm trying not to do that this time. But if it happens, you know, mistakes happen. So no big deal, you just scrape it off with that sharp blade. Okay guys, again, I have the brick wall background there, and I finished one, and I have 3 more to go. This is it. It's all finished. It's complete. It's really nice, and it's all finished with the drawers. I cleaned the knobs and everything. It looks really nice. Let me open the doors. And that's the backdrop. It looks like a brick wall, but it's all paper that I glued back there. It looks nice, and it has the glass shelves. This is my project, and it's all done. And it has a drawer at the bottom. As you see, it has plenty of storage. It's really nice. So see you next time. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.